Hey guys, it's been a minute. I took some time. I was trying to finish up my computer program, and then I also started looking at trading and everything. So I've been trying to focus on ICT concepts, which are smart money concepts, and then I've also developed an interest in scalping. So my trading style is scalping. I also hold trades like that, but I don't swing most of the time. So I wanted to kind of show you guys what I do whenever I'm trying to analyze the market for my quick scalps. So what I was looking at right here is gold USD, and what you can notice is that the market was in a downtrend when I found it. It had already made all this. So the people that were scalping or holding this trade while it was in a downtrend made a lot of money, and I was at a 15 minutes time frame. So once I noticed that the market was on a downtrend, I was expecting the market to keep going to the down, but I was waiting to see what the price action, what the market itself was going to tell me and everything. And for people that don't understand how to identify a downtrend, is when the market is just respecting this kind of pattern. So the market keeps going down, going up, but it's not disrespecting the tops, but it's supposed to be disrespecting the bottoms. That's in a nutshell of what the market is supposed to be doing when it's supposed to be in a downtrend. When it kept on doing that, I expected something like this if it had to continue going down, and then it had to make sure create another low below this low right here, which never happened. So once the market was just ranging, it's a game of patience and everything until your zones are disrespected, whether it's on the downside or on the upside. So the only thing that I'm waiting for is break of structure from any of the sides. Then I'll come up with my conclusion whether the market will keep on going to the downside or to the upside. So once there was a break of structure right there, I started trying to find, during this movement, was there any demand zone? And I found this demand zone right there. There were like two demand zones. You can either put your demand zone to be this one, but if you find you have two demand zones like this, you should be more biased towards putting your entries on the lower demand zone right here. So I put my stop loss below this demand zone, and then I was trying to get profit up to that point right there. If the market would move like that, make a break of structure above that, I was expecting the market to come back down, to come and tap me in, and then keep on going to the upside. So that was my initial thought process. So once I marked those zones, and this zone being my entry position or my point of interest, I started waiting again for the market to drop down a bit to then tap me in, and then I'll come out from the same top part. And I was thinking the market will keep on going to the top side, which is going to be the uptrend. So after I did that, I went to the lower time frame, which is like 5 minutes. So kept on waiting until the market came and tapped me in right there. So right there, when it tapped me in, I wanted the market to come to this position right here. So this position, why I had to come out from there, is because there was a supply zone right here on this candle, the opposite candle to the upside. There was a huge selling that happened. So I knew if I got tapped in from there, I had to come out below this candle, because that's where the supply zone was. So let me just indicate for you guys so that you understand. So this was my supply zone. So there was huge supply zone. If I'm going to hold this trade, TP had to be below somewhere there, guys. So, and then the market did what? Smashed it with that wick, and I was out of the market. And guess what the market did? the market kept on going down. So now, for people that was waiting for the market to keep on going down, what they were simply supposed to do is mark their highest high, which is the supply zone right there. We've already marked it. And then we mark this as well, because that was our lowest low right there. So whatever happens to the market when it breaks this, that's where I'm going to be looking for my entries, whether it's going down or going up. And then this would be my other point of interest, whether the market breaks this supply zone, meaning the market will keep on going up. So once I got out from there, I took a break and I said, okay, this is enough for the day, because I was almost getting stopped out. I was thinking the market was going to keep on going to the upper side, but it didn't. So that's what I look forward to, guys. I only trade price action, but I've equipped myself with knowing terms like supply and demand, order blocks, the fair value gaps, and everything like that, so that I'm able to understand why the market reacted like that on this zone, which is the supply zone right there. I hope this, guys, opens an idea for you guys to keep on trying to learn more about smart money concepts, so that you can improve your technical analysis and everything. If you have any question, I'll be able to respond to you in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, guys. I hope I wasn't long-winded when it came to my explanation, and you guys have gotten the concepts and everything. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.